If you have problems with excessive grinding of your teeth that can cause damage to your teeth, or pain in here, or even headaches, or you're interested in having a slimmer jawline, then please watch on. Not everyone knows, but Botox can be an excellent treatment for treating the masseter muscle. If the masseter muscle becomes too big and too strong, it can cause excessive grinding of the teeth and can cause damage of these. And this can be treated easily with Botox. You can inject it into here and a little bit up here as well. And it has excellent results.